son of a bitch. Yeah, open. God damn you. Okay. A moment, please. Finally. Open. Bad lightning, and here are instructions. This one I wanted for a long time. And this will be my first one ever. Yeah, and one thing I probably will hate with all my heart. Yeah, this, instructions. Instructions are for smart people. God damn it, my worst enemy. What a shitty way to record a freaking video. Here it is. I'm working here with what I can. God damn you. Ball joints? Okay. A lot of stuff in here that I don't know what will happen with it. I need my microphone. Okay. One down. Several done. Second down. Now, why do I need that? Oh. That's, I think, a head. Stickers! I'm not a fan of stickers. Die, polyethylene. Okay, instructions. Somehow, I wonder how much of that you will be able to see. You can't fucking see that, right? Okay. I'll try to clean those. Is this like this? My hands don't really work like that. Okay, that's supposed to go. Wait. Something like so. Oops, I put that backwards. Whoopsie. Something like that, looks like it. Okay. I have this part finished, and I fucked it up somehow. This bugger here. And now I'm taking this. My shoulders are so tense. And I'm putting this here. Like that. This is a ball joint, right? Right. And I'm building here chest. Let me see. Now we put this like so. And this shit. Nice. Son of a... Oops. I suck. Yeah, looks like... Hold it. Hold it. Yeah, this is... Yeah, this is supposed to be like that. Okay. Now, this part, I was looking into instructions. Let's see. It's holding it like so. And it then goes like so. This looks like a spine thingy. Oh. Ooh. Ooh, sexy. I did it. This is moving. Nice. This looks kind of gorgeous, in my opinion. Okay. Now, we have these parts. And I've lost something. Son of a bitch. Okay. Okay. This one. Ah, fuck, I forgot to clean this. Bugger. Almost clean. Okay, this is supposed to go. I'm talking here with myself most of the time. Most focused face. If you only could see me right now. Go inside, Jesus, son of a... Nice. Nice. Good boy. Now this blue... Oh no. This blue stuff will go... Nice. Nice. Now, I need few more things. Find the detail that I lost and put this in like that. Okay, I found the last part for this. Ta-da! Which end should I use? This one. Right? This is a head's ball joint. Looks like it, looks like it. And I forgot to clean it. Okay, ball joint in, and now putting this. I'm now gonna rant. Fuck, I spit all over it. First of all, focus. I hate stickers, but oh well. Now, who thought that it is a good idea? Look at my hands. I'm not a gorilla, okay? But this is ridiculous. Now, okay, don't get me wrong. I love it, everything, but small fucking details. What the fuck? How am I supposed to, with these hands, to work on this? I got that out of the way. Now I can build stuff. Okay, looks like I did a little bit more cleaning. Now let's see. I need this. I will not try to work with this with the pincette or whatever it is called, because it is not easy for me to have. How am I supposed to put it? Oh, it's this way. I was going the wrong way. Yeah. Looks good. Focus. Thank you. Looks good. Okay, what's next? Beard. Red beard. Is it the right way? Yeah, this is the right way. Yep, this is the right way. This looks so good. Okay, now what's next? Not this one, definitely. Probably. Oh, these small yellow thingies. Jesus, I almost dropped it. Now, let me see. It's supposed to go something like so. Right? It's hard for you to see because it's... Oh, now I get... It's not supposed to go like this, right? Right? Come off! Come off, you son of a... Yeah. Son of a... Okay. Let me see how it's supposed to go. Ooh, my hands are sweating. Ooh. These are supposed to go something like so. No? Oh, okay. Now I got it. Something like so. Okay. Nice. I love this. Now, these are supposed to... I'm not afraid that I won't be able to handle small details, I mean to put them together. I'm afraid I'm gonna lose them. Okay. Oh, and I forgot a few details. I'm now looking into instructions and I forgot two details on torso. I will put them later. Okay. How's that going? Okay, this is supposed to go something... No. The wrong way. The right way. Oh, it comes together. So, kinda intuitive, in my opinion. Nice. I like it. How is it going? I like the head sculpt. I like Barbatos head sculpt, whatever it is pronounced. Barbatos. Right. Now, this one will go like so. Yeah. I think so. Oh, and this will go something like a head crest, right? Please go in. Don't be stubborn. Like, useful. Am I doing it wrong way? Oh, let me see. Okay, let me see. Okay, what will happen if I put it this way? It will go not really right. Oh, you're not seeing what I'm doing most of the time. God damn it, I hate this. I hate small details. My hands are not working properly. I can't. This is quite hard trying to do with camera on. Okay, I will not waste your time now. Here. Nice. Scary. I like the head sculpt. These were the details I forgot previously to put on. So, yeah. Yeah, okay. Give me a hand, will ya? Now, symbol of Decadon, I think, will go right inside here. I guess. Focus! I can't see. Satisfying click. Next. We have this part. This little part. That will go. Yeah, probably in this. I can't see with camera pointing like so. Oh, that was satisfying. Next we will have this big fucking part, and now I'm looking for part in this mess that I have in here. Forearm. I think this is this one. Okay. This is supposed to be like so. I think so. No. Sorry, I'm froze. I'm just watching movie. Did I cut the wrong part? Nope. Oh, I was holding it wrong. It was supposed to go like something like that. Oh, I sometimes looking for very difficult ways. Okay, I want a drink. This one probably looks like it. I think these two parts now. Think so? Yeah, probably not. Ratchet joint? Interesting. Yeah, I think so. Nice. Oh, I missed this part. Focus, goddamn you! I think so. This is supposed to go like this. Oh. Ah, cute. Ah, nice. Now I got it. How it's supposed to be. Something like that, but it's moving. Okay. Okay. Nice. No, I was off camera. I don't want to disassemble this right now. So this is a ball joint probably for connection of the arm. Okay. Yes, I know I'm an idiot. Okay. Next one. I'm holding the right way. The detail. Not very stable. Okay, a little bit more stable, I guess. Oh, perfect. Oh, I was putting it the wrong way. I was trying to put it right here, but I'm an idiot, so I need to put it right like so. Cool. Okay, now this small detail. Now I'm trying to look how it's supposed to. Oh, it's supposed to go like so, right? No? Yeah, looks like it. Nice. It's first time for me to doing this, so I'm Okay, what's the next part in my little adventure with my bad eyesight? Now I understand that I have a bad eyesight. Okay, I have this part, and this part's supposed to go... It's a blocker some kind of... No? Come on! Some kind... Oh, it's a ratchet joint. No? It's not for that? Oh, it's something like a... Works like a fucking stopper. Cool. Okay, next! That's a ball joint, I guess. Oh, it holds! But we're losing a little bit of detail. Oh well. I thought this won't hold, but it does, kinda. Okay. Oh, I was supposed to put this first. I think. Did I miss something? Yet again? Oh! I'm a terrible idiot. It was supposed to go to the different... Like so. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. It was supposed to go on a different side. Damn. If I only could read instructions. It's supposed to go like this. I was putting it differently. I messed something up. Wait. I will fix it. Fuck. Okay. I'm fixing. Now I fixed it. Ta-da! We have ourselves an arm. At first I thought they're identical, but I was wrong because ball joints are different. So we will see after I do the full thing how it looks. So good. Okay, and the different ball joint. Something like bleh. Oh, it's holding hand. I mean for the weapon, and it's stable hand. More stable. Okay. Good. Interesting. For now, I'm putting this one. Nice. Oh, and by the way, I had no patience, so I built his weapon. Oh, with that whole excitement, I forgot to connect with the shoulder. I finished second arm. Cool. It's going well. Better than I thought, actually. Oh, by the way, I forgot to film. I assembled feet. And now I'm assembling, looks like, legs. Whatever. Okay, see ya. So, I've built first leg off screen. for trial purposes, and I hate stickers like that. My hands are small. I'm a small guy, and that thing is even smaller than my fucking nail. God damn it. And of course, I can't forget about this motherfucker. Stickers. Its whole thing a sticker, and yeah, it's small and annoying. For me, of course, I like everything that you are seeing in here. I like the work, but oh, it was so annoying to put that in there. And that faceplate is a small detail. Okay, so let's do this. Where's my instructions? Okay. Okay. So for the first leg, we have our details. Okay. I hope you will be able to see everything. I hope. Well, lightning sucks. I hate stickers. One thing that's I'm commenting like I'm first time person and I have a lot of questions and maybe somebody will be able to answer those. This is not colored, okay? Even the important details are not colored. This is not colored. Why this part is colored? That's dilemma for me. Okay. It's time for crotch. Balls. Yeah, this is the side thingy, and now I'm gonna do this. Okay. This probably will be a backpack. I need one.